In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Notion database. If you track budgets, invoices, or expenses in Notion, getting the right currency symbol and formatting makes your data clearer and easier to share. The good news is, it only takes a few clicks, and the change applies to the entire column at once. Start by going to your database and clicking on your currency column. This means selecting the column header where your monetary values live. When you click the header, you'll open the settings for that column, which is where all the formatting options are controlled. Next, click Edit Property. This opens a panel that shows the property's name and type, along with how the values are displayed. Think of this as the control center for that column, what kind of data it holds, and how Notion should format it for you. Now, look for Number Format. This is where the currency options live. Click it, and you'll see a list of formats, including currency. Choose the currency you want from the list. Notion will immediately update the entire column, applying the correct symbol and number style for that currency. You'll notice details like the symbol placement, decimal separator, and thousands separator adapt to the currency you selected, which makes your data consistent and professional. And there you go. That's all you need to do to switch currencies. This change is non-destructive, meaning it doesn't alter the actual values, only how they're displayed. You can switch currencies again later without losing data, and the update will apply everywhere that column appears in views or synced databases. A quick tip: the formatting applies to the whole column, not individual cells, so everything in that column stays consistent. If you don't see the number format option, the column might not be a number type property. Only number columns have currency formatting. Also keep in mind, this is a display setting, not a currency conversion. If your amounts were entered in one currency and you pick another, the numbers don't change automatically. They're just shown with the new currency's symbol and style. To recap in one smooth flow, click your currency column, choose Edit Property, open Number Format, and select the currency you want. You'll see the update instantly across your database, and you can adjust it anytime if your needs change. That's all. Thanks for watching, and enjoy organizing your finances in Notion with clean, accurate currency formatting.